Why coconut charcoal is so popular around the world? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Milad and I work at Muttahida Machinery Group. In this channel we will talk about charcoal production, charcoal machines and the charcoal business around the world. Today I want to explain why coconut charcoal has become one of the most popular charcoal products in the market. Coconut charcoal is made from coconut shells. It is widely used for hookah and shisha because it offers many advantages compared to traditional charcoal. First, coconut charcoal burns longer. Users can enjoy their hookah session without changing charcoal frequently. Second, it produces less ash. This makes cooling easier and provides a better smoking experience. Third, high quality. Coconut charcoal produces very light smell and smoke. That is why many hookah language and distributors prefer coconut charcoal. However, producing high quality charcoal requires the right raw materials and the right production equipment. A professional charcoal production line can improve product quality, increase production capacity, and reduce production costs. At Muttahida Machinery Group, we design and manufacture charcoal production machines for different production capacities and business needs. In the coming videos, we will explain the complete charcoal manufacturing process, machine section, production tips, and business opportunities in this industry. If you are interested in charcoal production or planning to start our charcoal business, subscribe to our channel and follow our future videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.